This is SY Sublime. We're going to do an unboxing video this morning on a new Navpod. It's pretty much this thing here for my new system that I'm going to put in here for my electronics. So it's a nav-proof, waterproof housing for marine electronics. So this is the TP125 top plate, which is this here, but this is at 1 inch, and I'm going to do another video on the other thing. This is a top plate here. It's up to 1.2 1.25 inches wide, whatever that is. Anyway, so I'm going to do an unboxing video on this. I got this from Defender Marine. I had a good price on this too. I am a member of their club. They have a special. They have a thing. How do I get this thing out of here? So, whatever. I have to do this one-handed. I can't do this one-handed, so I'll be right back. I'll open it up. So I've got the box open. Gee, that was a pain in the ass. That was really tightly sealed up. So this is the top plate for the top of my Edison helm. So we've got the top plate, stainless steel top plate itself, and we've got the gasket and a Allen wrench for the thread screws that are here. So that's that. Pretty basic. Alright. Now I'll get the other box I got from Navpod. So this is the Navpod. This is the rail, the double bend rail that I got. So this box is huge. I got this from directly from Navpod, not from Defender Marine. The one at Defender. That top plate, this top plate was a lot cheaper at Defender Marine than it was on Navpod, so I went for that. So this is the double bend rail that I bought. I'm going to unbox this. It's really good. It's really big. So this is my Navpod double bend rail that I just bought. It's 1.25 inches in diameter, which is, I know, it's pretty big. It's a fairly good size, I guess. I didn't think it was going to be this big, but it's that's the Navpod double bend rail. So of course it's going to go through this, but on the new one I got. So this is the this is where my MFD will go. Is here, and then I put my 4 instruments up top here as well. So if you can see that, so that's how it's going to fit. Pretty happy about that, but I didn't think it was going to be this tall. Maybe if I cut it down a little bit shorter, it won't work. Can't cut it shorter. Oh well. Yeah, but so this is SY Sublime. This is the Navpod double bend rail and the Navpod TP125 top plate. And I'm going to do another video of installing these. Probably later today. So this is SY Sublime, fair winds, temperate seas, sandy toes and margaritas.